Julius Kamau, Collins Otieno,
Yes.
David Sami,
Yes.
Saturn Kevogo,
Yes.
Peter Kimani,
Yes.
Oworo Chola,
Yes, sir.
Willy Brian Omondi,
Yes, sir.
Elfas Kipkorir,
Represent.
David Monda.
Hello.
You were charged with the offense of obstructing the operation of vehicles on road, contrary to section 58C of the Road Act, chapter 408 laws of Kenya. The particulars of offense is that Hassan Teddy, Julius Kamau, Collins Otieno, David Sami, Staton Kevogo, Peter Kimani, Oworo Chola, Willy Brian Omondi, Elfas Kipkorir, David Dunda. On the 18th day of May 2026, along Kimathi Street in Nairobi City County, within Republic of Kenya, jointly with others not before the court, unlawfully barricaded the said Kimathi Street, thereby obstructing the operation of motor vehicles along the avenue. Hassan Teddy, true or not true?
Not true.
Julius Kamau?
Not true.
Collins Otieno?
Not true.
David Sami?
Hey, Chief. Tuheshimiane kidogo. Kijana na wengine tuheshimiane kidogo so that tumalize. Kuna ule anakataa kwa hao wameitwa. Kuna ule anakubali. Sorry. Endelea.
Staton Kevogo? Peter Kimani?
Bana.
Oworo Chola?
Not true.
Willy Brian Omondi?
Not yet. Not true.
Elfas Kipkorir?
Not true at all.
David Dunda?
Not yet.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Afternoon.
I represent the accused persons in the matter.
Mr.
Mr. Munyeri Levy. We are a team. I appear alongside Abner Mango.
Present, Your Honor.
Mr.
The Honorable
Mr.
Munyeri Levy.
Then next, a team, then Mr.
Abner Mango is present.
Present, Your Honor.
The Honorable Babu Owino.
Present, Your Honor.
Ian Mutiso.
Present, Your Honor.
Richard Mwaniki.
Yeah, Mutiso.
And Richard Mwaniki.
Richard, I've written that one.
Present.
Your Honor, we also appear as representatives of the Law Society of Kenya.
They keep forgetting me appear for the state.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
So maybe on behalf of the rest, you can do one. Yeah? One can address me.
Yes,
Both bed.
I have technical issues. He'll submit on the law.
In?
He'll submit on the law.
Yeah, just a minute.
Very briefly. We won't
Take time. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Your Honor, I want to breathe some life to Article 50, sub-article 2A, which speaks about the doctrine of innocence, that the accused persons before you, Your Honor, are very, very innocent until proven innocent. Your Honor,
Mimi sijazoea kelele. Nikiendelea nitarudi tu ndani. Alafu turudi kesho. Sawa.
aye. As such, Your Honor, we further breathe some life to Article 49(1)H, which talks about a right to be released on bail. And Your Honor, the accused persons you're seeing before you yesterday were having very peaceful demonstrations. After notification that was issued to the police as per Article 37, Your Honor, of the Constitution. And the reason for the peaceful demonstration was because of the increment, the high increment in fuel prices. And Your Honor, this is a very serious issue that the accused persons before you were exercising their constitutional right. And because of the increment in fuel prices, Your Honor, even when you look at within the court precincts, there are so many people, so many staff who have not managed to come as a result of not affording the current fuel because of the high prices. Your Honor, this has caused serious tension across the country because of high cost of living, and therefore the only mistake that the accused persons committed was to fight for their rights. Because, Your Honor, if you increase the cost of fuel, then automatically there will be high cost of living. In addition to that, Your Honor, anything, any good or service that is capable of being transported rises in value. The value of unga would be high, Your Honor. The value of any commodity, basic commodities, would be high. Even transport cost would be high. And as a result of that, they decided to at least express their grievances on the streets. Then they were arrested after following the law. So, Your Honor, you should put a stop to such arbitrary arrests, especially when the law is followed as they did by notifying the officers. Because the main reason why they were told to notify the police is so that nothing like this arbitrary arrest comes thereafter. But, Your Honor, we are living in a country where if you follow the law, you are on the wrong side. If you don't follow the law, you are equally on the wrong side. So, Your Honor, it is my prayer that the accused persons be released on personal or free bond, Your Honor, because majority of them are hardworking Kenyans who wake up very early in the morning with an intention to tie the loose ends, with an intention to pay rent but they don't get, with an intention to pay school fees for their children, with an intention to buy food, which they don't get, Your Honor. So these are frustrated Kenyans because they believe that the leadership that they elected would solve their challenges. But the leadership is, in turn, leading them to the police cells and or, if possible, with an intention of going to the prison. So therefore, Your Honor, as I summarize, it is my prayer that you release the accused persons on personal bond terms so that they can join their families. Thank you.